Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make clean Photoshop Rocket League PNGs using either cars or boosts or whatever you want to use in Rocket League and making a clean PNG out of it. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make clean car PNGs. So first thing you're going to want to have Rocket League, and if you don't have Rocket League, that's a bummer. If I'm not mistaken, Rocket League is a free game, so yeah, download it. But other than that, you're gonna need Photoshop, either cracked or paid for. It is your guys' call. Personally, I pay for Photoshop, so yeah, just any version of Photoshop, you're gonna need to have it. So first things first, I'll have a link in the description below if you want to get BakkesMod. BakkesMod makes it so you can open up this menu as simple as that, clicking F2 on your keyboard, and basically you can just change anything you want on your vehicle. There we go. So we'll have it like this. Once you're done with BakkesMod, click X. So once you have everything ready, feel free to load in any game mode of your choice. It does not matter what you load in. Personally, I'm going to be loading in 2v2s because I find 2v2 is easy, and depending on what type of shot you're trying to take, how many people you're trying to take, etc., whatever it may be, just base it off that game mode. So if you're trying to do something basketball related, hop into hoops, and then yeah, it doesn't matter which one you load in. But personally, for my sake of this video, I'm going to be doing 2s. So let's get into it. So now that we are loaded into the game, what you guys are going to want to do is just whatever angles you're trying to get. So say you're trying to go for an aerial shot, mess around in the air, etc. Do whatever you want, and yeah, whatever shot you're trying to take, just try to get that angle for it, and yeah. So now that your game is done, as I finish my game, save your replay. That is the most important part. So we'll name it as video. And so once you guys are done with that, you want to click view now, or depending on how busy you are, you can view it later. It does not matter. So we're going to use this for example. So what you're going to want to do is with the special effects mode in Rocket League, they make it very easy, so you can mess around with certain settings, focus strength, whatever it may be. You can turn on green screen, which I'm going to personally be doing, and yeah, basically just blacks out everything. It makes everything a lot more easier. So now that you have your angle, what you are going to want to do, if you are using controller, I am personally using controller, so you're going to want to hit B multiple times until you have no HUD at all. What you're going to want to do is, if you are on PC, you're going to want to click print screen. I'll also have a link in the description below if you guys want to use this program as well. If you're using Xbox, PS4, whatever it may be, the quality might be a little bit worse, but you're still able to take a screenshot. Personally, before, when I did not have PC, I used Xbox, and Xbox quality was not bad. It was 1920 by 1080, and yeah, it was perfectly fine for me. So now that you got your screenshot pulled up, you're going to want to copy image, and once you are done with that, you are going to want to pull up Photoshop. Once you have Photoshop pulled up, then what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to clipboard. It's either going to be 1919 1079 or 1920 1080. It just depends on your resolution that you have it as. When I took the screenshot, that was the resolution. You're going to want to go like this, Control V, automatically just brings it in there just like that. If I was spending a bit more time on this, I would probably be using pen tool, but for the sake of the video, just getting the main concept down, I'm just going to be using the tolerance tool. So what you're going to want to do is, once you got it clicked, you want to click backspace, just like that, and bam, you got your little car. And yeah, it's as simple as that. And so I will show you guys some example headers that I made. It wasn't with the Dominus, but I used the same vehicle in multiple, but it was using the same process. I'll pull up this one for instance. I took a picture of the octane, got rid of the boost behind it, added a little smoke effect, and yeah, it looks like it's popping out, kind of gives it that stick effect. Just messing around with certain things, exposure, camera raw filter, whatever it may be, may help. And yeah, I had that header that I did for Justin, along with the header I did for Pioneers GG. If you guys notice, like I said, it's literally just the same one, but just different effects. And yeah, mess around in Rocket League, get the angles that you want, and yeah guys, it's pretty simple. I'll do another one just to show you guys how easy it is. You're gonna want to click print screen or whatever your screenshot thing may be on yours. Bring it into Photoshop, and then depending on whatever tool you want to use, I'm using tolerance, like I said, for the sake of the video. Simple as that. Bam, you got your vehicle, and just like that, guys. Other than that, it's pretty simple to do. You guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a like, comment, tell me something you guys are wanting to know. If you guys need help with anything, again, drop me a comment. And other than that, guys, this is Genesis, and yeah, take it easy.